everybody, welcome back to Drive It Out. My name is Adam and we are at the Detroit Auto Show. I am so stoked to be here because there are a lot of amazing vehicles here. But check this out. This is a new one from Toyota that I really wanted to talk about because this is going to compete in a segment where it's really important. This is a Toyota Grand Highlander, not the Highlander, but the Grand Highlander. That's right, it's stretched out. It's a little bit longer than a regular Highlander. Has a third row, but you got more room back here. So let's talk about this as we come around here to the side. So you can see it's got Toyota's new design language. You got that really big grille up there. If you can handle that, I think you're gonna like the rest of the vehicle, but that is a very large grille. But I tell you what, you got 3 powertrain options here, 3 different engines and 3 different transmissions. So you can start with just the 2.4 liter ICE engine, and that's it. And you're gonna get an 8-speed automatic transmission with that. And you can go up to a hybrid, the 2.5 liter hybrid, which is what this XLE is right here, and you're going to have an eCVT transmission. But then you can go all the way up to the hybrid max, which is actually the 2.4 liter again, paired with the hybrid power. You got 3 electric motors. You're gonna have over 360 horsepower, and that is the top of the line hybrid max, that 2.4 liter turbo with the hybrid power. I tell you what, whatever powertrain you get, this is really what I want to talk about with this vehicle, why they needed it. The regular Highlander had a third row, but it didn't have tons of room. Think like Honda Pilot kind of room. So I tell you what, that's what they've really hit here with the Toyota Grand Highlander. You now have 3 rows, it's a little bit longer, and those people that you're going to put in that third row now have a little bit more room. So come on back here to the rear of the vehicle with me. I want to show you something. So this is really where you're getting the added space. You're getting added passenger room for that third row, but then you're getting added capacity back here for putting bags. So this is actually going to provide you more room back here for luggage and stow and go things than the new Honda Pilot with that third row up. So that is what they're really going for with this Toyota Grand Highlander. Now remember, with that Honda Pilot, you only get 1 engine option. It's that naturally aspirated V6. Here, you have the different options. You can go naturally aspirated or you can go hybrid as well. But I tell you what, I'm going to show you the interior a little bit. So this one here has the captain's chairs in the second row, excuse me, but you can get a bench seat. But you can kind of see that there is more room back there in that third row for your passengers. Now, as I come around, I'll show you the front. I'll get in the driver's seat here. And again, this is an XLE. I tell you what, the added space in here for your passenger in the back going to give you a little more peace of mind being up here and driving. They really have put a nice crisp interior in here. This one is all black with some silver trim. Got a digital gauge cluster, a good sized digital screen here for your infotainment, but they've got good, see how they've split the armrest here? I really like what they've done for both sides and still provided you storage in here without interrupting your armrest. I absolutely like that. But you know, if you want a more hardcore off-roader, because these are all offered in all-wheel drive, these powertrains, but if you want a more hardcore off-roader, you're probably going to want to go up to the Toyota Sequoia, because again, that is body on frame like the Toyota Tundra, but you still can get all-wheel drive here. This is a great family vehicle. This is an alternative to not only the Pilot and vehicles like that, but it's an alternative to a minivan. So if you're looking at a minivan, but you can't really get yourself to go that route, you still want to be in an SUV, this is a great way to seat 8 people, have good room in here. So I really expect this to be a pretty big seller for Toyota. You would think so in the class that it's in, the amount of people that it fits, and for people who don't want a minivan, this is a really great place to go. So we're really excited about the Toyota Highlander, or Toyota Grand Highlander, see what it does, because they're filling all these niche spots. You've got RAV4, you've got Highlander, you've got Grand Highlander, you've got Sequoia. It's going to be interesting to see how this one does, but I like the new Toyota Grand Highlander. So thanks a lot for checking this out, guys. Again, we are at the Detroit Auto Show, and I am excited to show you many vehicles here. Please check out our other reviews there. This has been Drive It Out, and my name is Adam, and I will see you in the next review.